Magandang araw! A common question founders struggle with is how to monetize. Founders have strong thoughts on the product, service they want to build, but many are baffled when it comes to determining the best way of building a highly profitable business. Every startup begins with an idea, a product, a vision, but most startups don't fail because the idea is bad. They fail because they never figure out how to turn value into money sustainably. Monetization is not optional. It's the difference between a company that grows and a company that disappears. Monetization models don't exist in vacuum. A raw dollar of revenue doesn't mean anything without context. A healthy and durable business needs to get paid more than a dollar for every dollar it seeks able to extract from its customers. Founders love talking about revenue, but revenue without context is meaningless. A dollar, peso, earn means nothing if it costs more than the money to generate. Every business carries unavoidable costs: customer acquisition, technology, operation, people, leadership. If your company is selling $1 earn money for 75 cents, growth only accelerates failure. A healthy business must extract more value than it consumes. Strong business are built on unit economics. The question is simple. If I spend 1 peso on growth, how long before the peso comes back net of cost? Payback periods determine survival. Short payback creates flexibility. Long payback creates fragility. Over time, winning companies earn multiplies on every peso invested. That excess cash fuels innovation, defends against competition, and sustains growth through downturns. Scale is not just about growth, it's about absorbing fixed costs. The first level of scale creates break even. Every level beyond the creates profit. The danger is confusing potential scale with accessible scale. Markets have limits, pricing over ceilings. Sustainable companies understand where growth stops making economic sense. Most companies monetize in one of three ways: direct pricing, matchmaker models, product led or disguised monetization. Direct pricing: customers pay directly for the product or service, simple, predictable, and competitive. Matchmaker models: platforms that connect buyers and sellers and monetize the connection. Pricing power depends on who feels the pain more. Product led engagement comes first, monetization happens later through ads, partnership, or recommendation. Powerful models but operationally complex. Not all customers are treated equally. Lead generation sells customers data repeatedly, it's fast but destructive to trust. Customer generation is different. Customers are qualified, matched, and protected. Monetization takes longer, but alignment creates durability. Long-term enterprise value comes from trust, not extraction. Monetization is not an afterthought, it is a strategy. Founders who delay it let the market decide their fate. Founders who design intentionally build companies that endure. In the end, the market does not reward ideas, it rewards sustainable execution. Monetization equals survival. There are lots of ways to construct profitable and durable monetization strategies. Ignoring monetization until later is not a strategy I recommend. Being thoughtful about the possibilities and letting the market ultimately speak is. Last time, you might think the startup make money by selling a product, but the real game is often in M&A deals, buying growth, selling innovation, or securing a strategic exit. This is how founders and investors unlock hidden value. Monetization is not always what you see on the balance sheet, it's an ideals behind the scenes.